Well, hey guys, welcome back. Got something completely different for you to look at in this episode. I'm not in my garage or out on the bike. I'm actually in the wild, Bear Grylls style, where today we're going to be looking at the Stabilization 2.0 from the Hero 8 Black. Now, I've just bought this camera recently in the last month or so. I haven't used it that much. Last year I bought the Hero 7. When this came out, this was a kind of the breakthrough in electronic stabilization, and I tested the Hero 7 against my Karma Grip, which is a physical stabilization. If you missed that video, then check that out in the card at the top, or I'll stick a link in the description. So today we're going to be looking at the stabilization from the Hero 7 Black to the Hero 8 Black. So that's what we're going to be looking at in today's video, so stay tuned and I'll catch you after this. So here we go. So we've got the Hero 7 in my right hand, Hero 8 in my left hand. Now I'm filming on my chest with audio on an external mic on my chesty on the Hero 5. So I don't know if you can see that on there, but we've got both cameras in 1080p at 60 frames per second on Super View, both with cameras with stabilization on. Let's get rolling. Oh, this app is naff. It doesn't work with all phones. So Mark 1 dog, here we go. Let me just check. We are recording. Yes, we are. Come on, Ola, come on. Now this is just a test to test the stabilization of both the cameras. This isn't a review of the Hero 8, and I think there's plenty of other reviews online that go more into depth, but it's just to basically show you, like I did on my last test, the stabilization from the Hero 7, which was the game changer, to the HyperSmooth 2.0 of the Hero 8 Black. Stabilization is also on the Hero 5 on my chest, but it's a bit of an unfair review with that because it's not very good anyway, the stabilization on the Hero 5, and it's mounted to my chest, so it's not going to be as stable. Now, a few other things that have been changed on or upgraded from the Hero 7 to the 8 is the audio. As I said, I'm using an external microphone on the Hero 5, so the audio should be good anyway. But I'll flick from in between cameras just to check out the audio tone from the Hero 7 and the Hero 8, just to compare them. But as of January, the media mod is coming out for the Hero 8, which will give you a media mod, which is like a housing where it's got a boom mic attached to it, so the audio with the media platform, or the media mod, should be 10 times better anyway. So it's a very versatile camera, although I use them for my vlogging predominantly. Now with the media mod, where you can get an LED light attachment, you can get a flip up screen, you can use the camera in a lot of sort of off-bike scenarios, so that's very, very good for me. Now I tend to use most of them anyway with my phone, with the GoPro app, to give you that viewfinder, but for some reason the app's not working that well, so I'll probably get the media mod with the flippy uppy screen. Right, let's get out. Bit of a jog. But as I said before, the Hero 7 was a game changer with the stabilization, and it was nearly as good as my Karma Grip, my physical gimbal. So I'm expecting this video to be amazing. I've only used the Hero 8 once. I'm out on my bike and it's stable, but this is where you really notice it with handheld filming. A bit out of shape. As I said before, it's electronic stabilization, it's not physical. So with electronic stabilization, the image has to be cropped slightly for it to compensate and keep the image stable. So, but 10% you don't really notice it. If you put it in super wide, which I always film in, which is great for sort of what I use it for motorblogging and sort of landscape filming and whatnot. Nice big wide frame, you get everything in shot. So when it is cropped, it's only 10% and you really don't really notice it, so all good. So I'm holding the cameras fairly still, but obviously my hands, they're shaking around while I'm walking and running, so it's still a good fair test. So this is the audio coming out of the external microphone on the Hero 5 Black. This is the audio coming out of the internal mic of the Hero 7 Black. And this is the audio coming from the internal microphone from the Hero 8 Black. Now, as I said before, the audio has been updated or upgraded on the Hero 8 over the Hero 7. They've actually moved the position of the microphones. The Hero 8 now being the only GoPro that has got a forward facing microphone that's just under the lens. But as I said, if you're going to want to use this camera for normal day-to-day vlogging, handheld stuff, then really think about getting the medium mod, which I think comes out in, it's available end of January, which I shall be getting, and I should be testing that as well. And as I said, it comes on the side of the camera here. There's a boom mic, so the audio is going to be even better than what you can hear now coming out of the Hero 8. So very much looking forward to that. Also, as I said before, you can stick an LED light on the top or on the side. It's got various different mounting points on the medium mod, and it's then going to come up with a flip up screen. Work. Get off.
Ich habe ein Problem.
Was hast du?
Ja, eine Beule im Auto.
Oh, echt?
Ja. Und Victor hat sie dran gefahren.
Oh, echt? Cool. So as I said before, this is just a short video, not to do a review as such of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, but to compare the HyperSmooth Stabilization 2.0 to the HyperSmooth 1.0 of the Hero 7. So hopefully that has come out well on the video. I'm expecting good things from it. Now, to be honest, when I tested my Hero 7 against my Karma Grip, the gimbal, it was pretty much bang on. It was probably, I would say, as good as, slightly less, maybe 90% as good as the gimbal. So that's kind of been made redundant now, I think, the Karma Grip. And with any case, the Hero 8 does now not fit into the Karma Grip, so I can only use it with my 5 or the 7 anyway. So the Hero 8 won't fit into the Karma Grip anymore, so that's kind of been made redundant. But to be honest, as I said before, I think that thing is now done and dusted, and you don't need it. GoPro have made their electronic stabilization that good. The gimbals are now probably a thing of the past. So hopefully that has been of interest to you. Short video, hopefully I've made a fair attempt at it, made it as fair as possible to test the two cameras, or the 3 with the 5 being on my chest. But as I said before, that wasn't particularly great. It does have stabilization, but it's not as anywhere near as good as the HyperSmooth stabilization of these two bad boys. So I'm going to go for a bit of a run, take the dog out. Hopefully that's been of interest to you. If you're new to the channel, this isn't the only thing I do. Obviously, predominantly I'm out on the bike or in the garage doing product reviews. And for you guys that are always coming back for more on the channel, thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a like and comment down below if you've got any questions or comments, and I'll catch you next time. Take care, ride safe, see you in the next one.